Hello, my name is Leigh Anne, and I'm going to show you today how to make a fork bow. It makes a cute little bow that's you can use any size of ribbon. You can use a wider. This is like a seam binding. This is the organdy glittered ribbon, and then this is the new Ornate Garden Sweet Ribbon Combo Pack. I used one of each color. So I'm going to demonstrate for you with one of those, and then also one that's a little wider. The two-tone peacock and olive. So the first thing you need is a regular fork. And I usually do about like 7.5 inches of ribbon. You do end up with some longer tails, but it's nice to have some extra to work with. So you're going to take your ribbon, you're going to put a little bit more on the front and then wrap it around the back. So it's like wrapped around like this. And then you're going to take the tail that's in the back and feed it through in between the fork tines and pull that through. So now you have something that looks like this. Then we're going to take this piece and bring it up through the middle. And here's where I kind of play with it a little bit to get it just to look how I want it to look. Sometimes it gets a little uneven, but this one looks pretty dang good. Then you flip it over, and I usually hold the side that I've threaded through, and then tie, just tie like a knot. And then here you're gonna want to kind of position your tails, you know, either out to the side, or you can make them come down a little bit, whatever you want them to do. And then you slip it off the fork. And there's your cute little bow. And then I usually attach that with a glue dot, which is what I did with this one. That I wrapped the ribbon around the corner, and then I just attached the bow with the glue dot. And this one also is just attached with the glue dot. Wrap the ribbon around and then attach the bow. So we're going to do it now with the wider piece. And then this one's a two-tone. So sometimes you want to be careful when you have a two-tone that you've got the side you want facing out. I mean, if it matters to you. Okay, so we slip that through the middle, and now we have this. Okay. And then I'm going to pull this to the center and feed it through. Now this, because it's a little wider, when I pulled it through, it kind of folds in half, which is okay. But it's got the green on the outside, which is what matches the rest of it. Okay, then we're going to flip it over and just tie it. And here, see, I have one side that's blue and one side that's green, so I'm going to twist it before I tighten it. I'm going to make sure the front looks good. Okay. And then we slip it off, and you have your cute little tiny bow. And sometimes I clip it off so that you don't see the tails. I have a little example of that this little tiny bow. And I just clip them really short. Whereas this one here, I wrapped it around twice and then fed it through, so there's like 2 loops on each side, which you could separate even further if you wanted to. And then I also have, this one is wrapped around twice as well, and this one, but I use the big fork. So like the serving fork. And so that's how you make the little fork bow. Thanks for watching. Bye.